right. It means first you will count your amount, then you will write your answer. You will mention your answer. So let's start from here. One. How many candies are here? This is horizontal shape. This is rectangle shape. And how many candies are here? We have to count them. So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means in first row, in upper row, there are 10 candies. And in second row, how many candies are there? There are 3 candies. 10 plus 3 equal to 13. 10 and 3 total are 13. 10 candies are representing 110. I have told you many times when we combine 10 ones together, we get 110. It's very easy for you. There is no need to count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you know that 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones total equal to 110 and 110. 110 equal to 10. 11, 12, 13. It means total 13 candies are here. Now, this is second question. How many tens are here? There are 3 tens. How many tens? There are 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And after 3 tens, 31, 32, 33. 31, 32, 33. When we combine 10 ones together, we get 110. Again 10 ones, 210. Again 10 ones, 310. It means total 30 candies are at the left side and 3 candies are at the right side. 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. It means 33 candies are here. So, students, page number 2 to 29. These pages are combination of this topic, count and write. You must revise this topic at your home. First, for revising it, you must learn counting from 1 to 100. Okay? Counting from 1 to 100. Learn and also write on the rough register. After writing on the rough register, you must go for this activity. Page number 2 to 29. This is your home assignment. Do revise it at your home. Take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is backward counting and pages are 4 to 29. Backward counting. What is backward counting? It means it will be started from back to first, or down to up. For example, 10 to 1, 20 to 11, 30 to 21. Similarly, 100 to 91. So we will start it from 100. 100 से पहले, before 100, what is this? This is 99. Then again, second step, this is 98. फिर 98 से पहले, third step, 97. 97 से before, 96. Before 96, 95. 95 before 94. And 94 before 93. And 93 before 92. And 91. It is backward counting and it started from 100 to 91. Down to up. नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. Descending to ascending. Down to up. So student, you can revise it at your home. आप मुख्तलिफ एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. 30 से 21 आ सकते हैं, 10 से 1 आ सकते हैं, 50 to 41 आ सकते हैं. इसको बार बार रिवाइज करें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग को. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. व्हाट्स कम बिफोर. पहले क्या आता है? पहले क्या आता है? व्हाट्स कम बिफोर. दिस इज 93 और बिफोर 93 इज 92. As you can see here, before 93 there is 92. So again 93 से before 92 है. इसी तरह before 10 to is 9. Before 11 to 10. What's come between? दरमियान. दरमियान में क्या आता है? किसी चीज के दरमियान मुकाबला करना है। सो दिस इज 94 बिफोर एंड दिस इज 96 आफ्टर, एंड व्हाट इज बिटवीन इट, बिफोर एंड आफ्टर के बिटवीन है 95। 95 तो 95 किसके दरमियान आता है, 94 एंड 96 के। 95 94 एंड 96 के दरमियान आता है। इसी तरह आप डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, बयान कर सकते हैं 3 और 5 के दरमियान 4 आता है। 94 एंड 92 के दरमियान 93 आता है, एंड 93 between 92 is between 93 and 91. There are different examples you can use. And this is last one topic, words come after. After means बाद, उसके बाद क्या आता है, 98. What is after 98? There is, sorry, 99. 99 के आफ्टर क्या आता है, it is 100. 100 after 99 this is 100. इसमें उसके बाद क्या आता है. So there are 3 topics, words come before, words come between, words come after. स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले तो आपने इसको अच्छी तरह से लर्न करना है, फिर उससे रिलेट ये टॉपिक अच्छी तरह से लर्न कर लें, फिर उनको रफ रजिस्टर पर प्रैक्टिस करें. डू प्रैक्टिस ऑन योर रफ रजिस्टर. टेक योरसेल्फ. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. Students, today our topic is greater than, smaller than. Greater than, smaller than, and page number are 32 to 33. So student, greater mean more and smaller mean less. More means ज़्यादा, smaller mean थोड़ा. More means ज़्यादा, smaller mean थोड़ा. There are 4 buckets and each bucket carrying different quantity of candies. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes also mentioned down the buckets. So students, your topic is you have to find which bucket carrying more candies. किस bucket के पास ज़्यादा candies हैं, आपने उसको find out करना है. उसके बाद इन boxes को color करना है. इन boxes में किसको color करना है, उस box को जिसके पास ज़्यादा candy है, उस bucket के box को जिसके पास ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा candies हैं. So let's start from here. First we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. First bucket has 4 candies. Now in the second bucket 1, 2, 3. There are 3 candies. In the third one, oh, there is no candy. It means you will write 0 here. I have told you many times, when there is nothing, you will write 0 there. जब कुछ ना हो तो आप वहाँ पे 0 लिखते हैं. In the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candies are here. Fourth bucket has 5 candies. It means we have fourth one. Assalamualaikum students. Today our topic is one less, one more. One less, one more. Less means thoda, more means zyada. So today we are going to, it is something different, and today we are going to learn something new. What is that? This is very important for you, and you have to learn it very carefully. You have to concentrate on this topic. Today we are going to use new sign here. You never seen before it. This is, what is this? Do you know? This is the mouth of alligator. Alligator. This is the mouth of alligator. So, इसका काम क्या है? How it's work? ये काम कैसे करता है? So students, we are going to study about this. How it's work. This is the mouth of alligator. और इसका काम ये है कि इस तरह से काम करता है कि जिस चीज को आपने less show करवाना है, the things you want to show less, it will be close from their side. तो ये उस साइड पे close होगा. और जिस चीज को आपने greater show कराना है, you want to show greater anything or something, it will be open their side. तो ये उस साइड पे ओपन होगा. जिस चीज को लेस शो कराना है उस साइड पे इसका मुंह बंद होगा, और जिस चीज को ओपन कराना है उस साइड पे इसका फेस, उसका मुंह, सॉरी, माउथ, इसके लेफ्ट साइड ओपन होगा. So students, 1 less than 3 is 1 3 से छोटा है. 1 क्या है? 3 से छोटा है. So 1 less 3. As you know, I told you, जहाँ आपने इसका जिस चीज को आपने छोटा साबित करना हो, जिस चीज को आपने स्मॉलर साबित करना हो, वहां इसका फेस बंद हो. So this is closed side and this is open. Why it's open? Because 3 is greater from 1. 3 is greater, 3 is more, 3 is more from 1. राइट साइड पे जो 3 है वो 1 से ज्यादा है, इसलिए इसका फेस, इसका सॉरी माउथ 3 की साइड पर ओपन है. नाउ आवर सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज 1 लेस देन 4 इज अगेन 1 4 से लेस है. सो इट्स माउथ, एलिगेटर माउथ विल बी ओपन टुवर्ड 4 साइड, 4 and 1 is less. You will write 1 at the back side of mouth, at the closed side we can say. This is the closed side, this is the back side, and this is the open side. Front side, back side, front side, back side. It means greater thing would be at the front side, जहाँ पे मुंह खुला होगा, और छोटी चीज बैक साइड पे होगी जहाँ पर उसका फेस, सॉरी उसका माउथ बंद होगा. ठीक है स्टूडेंट? So it means 1 less than 3. 1 less than 3. One more example. 2 less than 4. 2 less than 5. 3 less than 10. These 3 digits are greater and these 3 digits are smaller. So mouth कहाँ है? Greater की तरफ open है और close कहाँ है? Smaller की साइड से. 2 less than 4, 2 less than 5, 3 less than 10. 4 ग्रेटर है 2 से, इसको जब ग्रेटर की तरफ पढ़ेंगे, ग्रेटर की साइड से पढ़ेंगे. 5 ग्रेटर देन 2, 10 ग्रेटर देन 3. So students, this was all about, this is the topic all about greater, more. And this topic relate to our previous topic, greater than, smaller than, page number 30 to 33. And pages of these topics are 34 to 37. So students, our this topic is very interesting and it's all about greater than and smaller than. This is the mouth of alligator, alligator, and open mouth always shows greater thing, and closed side of this mouth always shows us less thing, less quantity, less digit. And our this topic relate to our previous topic, greater than and smaller than. I am revising again and again. Our this topic relate to our previous topic, greater than and smaller than. So what is this? This is 2 boxes. These are 2 boxes and these are 2 ladybirds. What we show is, हम इससे क्या शो करेंगे? What we will show? One more. अब आ जाती है बात one more की. Again I'm revising our this topic related to our previous topic. So students, this is a ladybird and 2 dots are mentioned on it. 2 dots इसके ऊपर mention है. हमने क्या करना है? Put the one spot more. हम इसके ऊपर एक और स्पॉट लगाएंगे, एक और स्पॉट मेंशन करेंगे, एक और स्पॉट उसके ऊपर हमने लगा दिया, एक और डॉट हमने उस पर लगा दिया. सो हमने ये फाइंड आउट करना है वन मोर, टू फाइंड आउट वन मोर. सो वी विल पुट वन मोर डॉट ऑन द लेडी बर्ड. हाउ मेनी these are now? 1 2 3. After putting this third one, total are 1 2 3. This has become one more. Now this is second lady bird. One dot already mentioned here. Already putting here. Put it here. Now we will put again with one more. So how many dots are here? How many spots are here? There are 2 spots mentioned on the lady bird. there are 2 spots put on the ladybird. I have put it on the ladybird. 1, 2. Our topic is one less and one more. This is all about one less and this is about one more. हमने कुछ डॉट मेंशन थे, उनको मजीद मेंशन किया, उनके ऊपर कुछ डॉट और स्पॉट लगाए, कुछ स्पॉट और मेंशन किए, कुछ डॉट और मेंशन किए, तो उनको काउंट करके हमने उनकी टोटल क्वांटिटी मेंशन की है. So students, I am revising again. This is your topic mentioned to your previous topic, greater than and smaller than, page number 30 to 33. Total pages are 30 to 37. 30 to 33 our previous topic and 34 to 37. And total pages are 30 to 37. You will revise, you will practice, you will learn these pages at your home. Do practice of these pages on your rough register. Take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is shapes. As you know, we have learned about shape in nursery class. Now we are revising again. So we are starting from oval. Oval has no sides. It's like an egg. Oval shape is like egg shape, and it has no sides. Oval has no sides. And sides किस तरह से मेंशन की जाती है, जो स्ट्रेट से हो, but it's not straight, so it has no sides. Oval shape has no side. Next one, pentagon. Pentagon. So let's start from here. Pentagon has 5 sides. How many sides it has? It has 5 sides, 5 straight sides which are joining to each other. From this, let's start from here. First to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to 5. So these are 5 sides. How many sides pentagon has? Pentagon has 5 sides. Pentagon has 5 sides. Oval has no sides. Now its third one. Hexagon. This is called hexagon. The shape hexagon has 6 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2. First to second corner. Second to third corner. Third to fourth. Fourth to 5. And 5 to 6. This total are 6 sides. 6 straight sides. 6 straight sides. So the hexagon has 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. Octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. How many sides octagon has? Octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 2 to third, third to fourth, fourth to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. So octagon has 8 sides, and these sides are joining to each other. Diamond. Diamond. How many sides of diamond has? Diamond has 4 sides, and all sides are connected to each other. They are in connection to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a diamond shape, and diamond shape has 4 sides. Diamond has 4 sides. Last one, and it's very beautiful. This is a star, and star has 10 sides. How many sides has? It has 10 sides, and all these sides are connected to each other. A star shape has 10 sides. So student, I am writing again. Oval has no sides. It has no straight line. It means it has no side. Oval has no straight line. It means it has no side. It has no sides. Now pentagon. Pentagon has 5 straight lines and they are connected to each other. It means it has 5 sides. Hexagon has 6 straight lines and they are connection to each other. They are in a connection to each other. It means it has 6 sides. Octagon has 8 sides and all these sides are connected to each other. Diamond has 4 sides and all these sides are connected to each other. And our last one, this is a star that's looking very beautiful and it has 10 sides and these 10 sides are connection to each other. So students, draw this shape at your home. Draw this shape at your home. Cut them, make a pic and send back to us. This is your home assignment. Learn its characteristics. इन जितने भी इनकी characteristics हैं आपने इनको learn करना है, इन shapes को draw करना है, उनको cut करना है, pics बनानी है और हमें भेजनी है. Take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum students. Today our topic is putting together. Putting together. It means do add something, do combine something, do plus something, do total something, and all together something is called putting together. When we add, when we combine, when we all together something to another thing, it is called total, it is called sum, it is called addition, it is called plus of something. Page number 42 to 45. This is your page which is started from 42 to 45, and start from here. There are 3 questions mentioned on the board. 1, 2, 3. This is your first example which has been done for you. How it can be so? There are 3 leaves. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. This is the 10th side. It means it's at the left side. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is at the one side. It means at the right side. 4 and 3. What is this? This is the sign of plus. This is the sign of addition. This is the sign of add. This is the sign of sum. This is the sign of altogether. This is the sign of total. Okay? These are all the name of this small sum. So we have to combine leaves of this group and this group. There are 4 leaves in first group and there are 3 leaves in the second group. This is right side and this is left side. So you can combine from any side. There is no restriction. You can combine from here and you can combine from here. The main purpose is here you have to combine something. You have to total something. So let's start from here. From the right side. From the one side. How many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many leaves are at the right side? 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. What is this? This is sign of equal. Equal means बराबर. 4 और 3 को जमा किया, प्लस किया, ऐड किया, टोटल किया, सम किया, कंबाइन किया, तो हमें हमारा आंसर मिल गया 7. So let's start from here, from the left side. How many leaves are there in this group? There are 3 leaves in this group, and plus there are 4 leaves in second group. 3 plus 4, 3 and 4, 4 and 3, 3 and 4 equal to 7. So next example is here. Next question is here, and this is for you. You have to done it at your home. This is your home assignment. Again from this side, 1, 2. There are 2 flowers. How many flowers? There are 2 flowers. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers in the second group and 2 flowers in the first group. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 4 are here and 2 are here. You will write 2 here and 4 here. Then you will combine them. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Now our third example. How many stars are here? There are 3 stars on the left side and there is 0 at the right side. What is this? There is something different in it. Yes, why not? When we add, we are reading definition. When we add something to 0, when we add something to the 0, we get same thing. It means whenever we add something to the 0, we get same answer, we get same thing, we get same total, we get same amount. How many stars are here? There are 3 stars, 1, 2, 3 at the left side, and there is 0. You will put 0 here. 3 plus 0 is equal to 0. 3 plus 0 is equal to 0. It means whenever you add something to the 0, we will get same thing. 1, 2, 3 plus 0 is equal to the 0. So student, this is your home assignment. You have to revise it on your rough register 10 times. I think it would be beneficial for you. How many times you will revise? it will enhance your ability, then how you can plus, how you can add something to another thing. Page number 42 to 45. You must revise it at your home. Take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Students, today our topic is place value. Place value. What is place value? Definition is here. Value can be represented, can be defined as the value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit. एक digits को represent करना in a number. एक number में on the base of its position. According to its position, हम किसी digit को represent कर रहे हैं एक number में, that is called a place value. And place value में we will study today unit and tens. What is unit, what is ones, and what is tens? Unit is also called ones. So what is ones and what is tens? Today we will study about it. ठीक है? So ones would be always at the right side and tens would be always at the left side. Ones would be always at the right side and tens would be always at the left side. What is ones and what is tens? Ones are separate ones. They are separate. They are representing separate values. And tens, when we combine 10 ones together, we get 110. When we combine 10 ones, we get 110. Ladybird is here. She is representing 3 ones from the right side. This is right side. And this is left side. How many ones are there at the right side? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ones. And how many tens? I have told you, when we combine 10 ones together, we get 110. So it means there are 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a combination of 10 ones. 10 ones is equal to 110. Now our next example is here. Again, both these examples are same. So we studied this example. Again, there are 3 ones. And how many tens are there? I have told you, when we combine 10 ones together, we get 110. Again, when we combine 10 ones together, we get 2 tens. Again, when we combine 10 ones together, we get 3 tens. It means there are again 3 ones and 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. How many tens are there? There are 3 tens and 3 ones. This is the first column and this is the second column. This is right side and this is left side. So let's do together them. Let's total them. This is a sign of plus. Plus. First you have to draw a straight line, then make a vertical line on the straight line. This has become the sign of plus. So let's total them. 3 plus 3. 3 again 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. It means combination of this one and this one is equal to 46. So student, this was the topic about tens and ones and tens. Again I am revising. When we combine 10 ones together, we get 110. When we combine 10 ones, we get 110. Again when we combine 10 ones, we get 210. You have to do practice of it at your home on your rough register. Do practice of it again and again. Take yourself. Allah Hafiz.